Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today we're going to take a look at party food. I'm going to do some light food, light snacks, and some hearty snacks for football parties, football gatherings. And these would be perfect for the Super Bowl. First, I'm going to do stuffed jalapenos, and actually I've already cooked some jalapenos. I'm just going to show you how to do it with some mini sweet peppers, but you do the jalapenos the same way. They're going to be a little bit different. I'm going to stuff them with salmon and cream cheese. So first I'm going to cook the salmon in the air fryer. You'll want to season both sides of the salmon. I'm just going to season it with salt, pepper, and I've already seasoned one side. So I'm just going to season this side, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of avocado oil on top of the salmon. I have it set so the temp I'm going to set on 350 for 8 minutes. So today, because I don't want to be prepping for hours and cooking for hours, I'm going to use the air fryer. I have a double bin. I'm going to use my Instapot. I'm going to use the stove top, and I'm going to use my oven. So I'll have everything cooking. Prep time and cook time should be no more than an hour and 15 minutes for these 5 go-to party snacks. While the salmon's cooking, I'm going to prepare my cream cheese mixture. I've already halved the mini sweet peppers. So to my cream cheese, I've added paprika. I have my bacon ready to wrap the jalapenos with, so I just cut it into a third for a few of the slices. And then I have some ranch dip. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of ranch, just the dry ranch powder, in the cream cheese. So the salmon finished in about 6 minutes. I'm only going to take half of the salmon steak and mix it in the cream cheese ranch into small pieces. So I'm going to cut it up and just fold it into that cream cheese mixture. You can see where I have started shredding up the salmon in the ranch mixture. I have my cream cheese mixture with salmon stuffed inside the peppers. Now I'm just going to wrap. I'm just going to take bacon. And one of the important things to remember with using bacon is try not to overlap too much. If you overlap, the underneath does not get cooked. You can hold these together with a toothpick if you'd like. Cook in the air fryer on 390 for 10 minutes. Game day snack number 2, a keto cheesecake, real simple to make. The exact directions will be in the description below. But this is always a party pleaser. If you have dessert, it makes your guests feel like they had an entire meal. Hope you enjoy. For the next, I'm just going to shave off part of the cucumber peeling and then take it and make lots of little slices. You can make them as thick as you would like or as thin as you would like. I've already put in my bowl 2 ounces softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons sour cream. So I'm just scooping out half of the avocado and smush it up, mix it up. So now to this mixture, I'm going to add, and I'm probably going to use a little over 1/4 of a pack You can use a half a pack if you would like it that flavored. So it's up to you, but the dry ranch packet, but mix it up real well. Spread it on your cucumber and then garnish with a slice of cherry tomato. For game day snack number 4, you can't have party time without chicken wings. So I'm going to take a large bag of chicken wings. I'm going to third it. I'm going to cook 3 batches. I'm going to cook 2 in the oven just like this. I'm going to show you how I do it on one pan, but I'm going to do 2 this way. I'm going to do 1/3 in the air fryer, and I'm going to make them buffalo. The directions will be in the description below for the air fry method and the oven. But the oven, basically, if you take them frozen, you're going to cook them for around 80 minutes. Air fryer is a lot less time, but you do have to take, and I shake the pan to make sure instead of just turning each individual wing. So I'm just going to fill both pans up. And then I'm going to coat one with a little bit of olive oil and the dry ranch packet. So I'm just going to fill my pan up. The second, I make my own Italian seasoning. Get out of regular seasoning that I have. So I do equal parts garlic powder, salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning, and I just put it in a different container, shake it up, mix it up real well. And then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil on top. I'm just going to drizzle. I'm not going to do a whole lot. The fat will cook out and be the oil itself. I'm just putting this on so my seasoning will stick real well. So like I said, straight from the freezer. You don't have to thaw it out. And I'm just going to sprinkle. And I'm going to sprinkle a good bit. On every chicken wing. I'll bake at 350 for 80 minutes, and I'll see you back when they're done. And the final game day item, it's not really a snack, it's more like a meal item. I'm going to make football-shaped hamburgers. So to my ground beef, I'm just mixing in salt, pepper, and garlic powder, onion powder if you would like. I'm going to shape them into mini footballs, and I'm going to cook them in my pan with olive oil that's been heated on medium-high heat. I've turned it down to medium. I'm going to brown well on all sides. When it's finished, on top I will coat with ketchup, put back in the oven to broil, kind of like I would meatloaf. This is a delicious food item for kids, adults alike. I serve these for the non-keto folks with mini croissants, so they have a real hamburger type meal. I also have it laid out on a bed of lettuce, so you can have lettuce wrapped hamburger. So here are the final product. You can see how cute they are with the cheese on top, making them look like a football. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and follow. We'll have more videos coming soon.